She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come. Proverbs 31:25. Every small step towards a greener planet is a giant leap for our future. Hey there, eco-warriors! Today, I'm excited to share with you 5 amazing eco-friendly cleaning hacks that'll transform your routine and help save our beautiful Earth. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about vinegar. Vinegar is a powerhouse when it comes to cleaning. It's natural, non-toxic, and incredibly effective. Plus, it's like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning supplies. Mix equal parts of water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. It's like a magic potion, but for cleaning. This DIY cleaner works wonders on windows, countertops, and even your bathroom tiles. It's like having a cleaning fairy in a bottle. For a fresh scent, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Simple, right? It's like aromatherapy while you clean. Hack number 2, baking soda magic. Baking soda is your best friend for scrubbing stubborn stains and deodorizing your home. It's like having a tiny cleaning superhero in your pantry. Make a paste with baking soda and water, apply it to the stained area, let it sit for a bit, and then scrub away. It's like a spa treatment for your surfaces. You'll be amazed at the results. It's like magic, but real. Now let's move on to reusable cloths. Ditch those single-use paper towels and opt for microfiber cloths or old t-shirts instead. It's like giving your old clothes a second life. They're washable, durable, and perfect for dusting, wiping, and polishing. Plus, they won't judge you for your cleaning skills. Plus, you'll save money in the long run and reduce waste. It's a win-win. Hack number 4 is all about lemons. Lemons are not just for lemonade. They're like nature's little cleaning ninjas. Their natural acidity makes them perfect for cutting through grease and grime. It's like having a citrusy superhero in your kitchen. Rub half a lemon on your cutting boards, faucets, or stovetops, and watch the magic happen. It's like a citrusy miracle. Your home will smell citrusy fresh. It's like a lemony paradise. And finally, let's talk about essential oils. Essential oils not only make your home smell divine, but also have antibacterial properties. It's like having a fragrant bodyguard for your home. Add a few drops of tea tree, lavender, or eucalyptus oil to your cleaning solutions for an extra boost. It's like giving your cleaning routine a spa day. You can even make your own air freshener by mixing essential oils with water in a spray bottle. It's like bottling up happiness. And there you have it, 5 simple, effective, and eco-friendly cleaning hacks to try today. It's like having a green cleaning party. Remember, every little step counts towards a healthier planet. It's like being an eco-hero. So, let's clean green and live clean. It's like living in harmony with nature. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more eco-friendly living hacks. It's like joining the green team. Together, we can make a difference. It's like being part of a green revolution. Thanks for watching and stay green. It's like spreading eco-love.